The Topsolar 100W Foldable Portable Solar Panel Charger Kit is designed for versatile use with various portable power stations, making it ideal for outdoor adventures and emergencies. Equipped with dual USB ports featuring smart and fast charging technology, this solar panel can efficiently charge smartphones, tablets, GPS devices, and digital cameras. Its compact foldable design, measuring just 19.98 by 20.28 by 1.38 inches when folded, ensures easy portability and storage in backpacks or trunks. High-efficiency monocrystalline solar cells provide superior power conversion even in low-light conditions, outperforming traditional polycrystalline panels. The panel's durable construction, utilizing advanced laminated technology and long-lasting ETFE material, ensures extended lifespan and reliable performance. An adjustable bracket allows users to optimize the angle of the solar panel for maximum power output, enhancing its efficiency and usability.